Flour.
Obviously.
Yeast. Salt. And a little bit of aromat. And a little bit of mixed herbs.
That's hot water. We're getting there, I think. Yeah, we're definitely getting there. Look at his face, he's concentrating. Definitely getting close. Still got the concentrating face.
Seems so little.
It's gonna be big when it's finished, though. Oh my god. How's it going? My hands ache.
Smaller than that, please.
Satellite. Can I touch? Can I? Oh my god, ew, it's sticky. Sticky. Oh my god. This is like the second time we've added like flour in here. Still chopping a bit more smaller. Yeah, that is, oh my, that is very tiny. Okay, my turn to help. Oh my god, what's happened to me? In the oven now. Wait, isn't the cloth gonna burn though? Oh hello, oh hello, that's hot.